Be honest, what's the real reason you're not financially free yet? It's probably not what you think. For years, I thought it was that I just needed more money. But the truth, it was my mindset and my habits holding me back. Today, I'm breaking down the three biggest things that keep people trapped in financial stress and how you can finally escape the cycle. Imagine waking up tomorrow with zero stress about money, bills paid, savings growing, investments on autopilot. That's financial freedom. And here's the good news. It's not some far off fantasy. But to get there, you have to remove the roadblocks that are secretly keeping you stuck. Let's start with the big one, debt. That's money going backwards, not forwards. Debt is like dragging a ball in a chain. Every step you take towards freedom gets slowed down. And beyond just the numbers alone, the stress eats away at your energy and relationships. The first step, stop feeding it. Build a plan to pay it down aggressively so you can start putting that money to work for you instead of against you. Here's the truth. No one teaches us this stuff in school. Most people stumble into adulthood without understanding the basics of savings, investing, or even how to track their spending. And that lack of knowledge, it's very expensive. One wrong move, like ignoring compound interest or living paycheck to paycheck, can cost you years. A simple rule like 50-30-20 framework, where 50% is for your needs, 30% is for your wants, and 20% is for savings or to pay off debt, can completely change your financial path. The more you learn, the more money stops being a mystery and starts being a tool. Now, budgeting gets a very bad rap, but think of it like a roadmap. Without one, you're just wandering financially. And even worse, every time you get a raise, lifestyle creep sneaks in. A nicer car, the upgraded apartment or house, the expensive vacations. Before you know it, your expenses rise or sometimes even exceed your income. And you're stuck in that same cycle, just with fancier bills. The fix? Align your spending with your goals, not your impulses. So, how do you escape? It starts with building a solid foundation. Completely get rid of all of your debt, educate yourself on personal finance, and create a budget that actually supports your dreams. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about choosing freedom over short-term distractions. So to recap, the biggest roadblocks are debt, lack of knowledge, and poor budgeting. But once you tackle those, financial freedom is absolutely possible. Now I want to hear from you. What's the number one thing holding you back right now? Drop it in the comments, and I might even feature it in a future story. I'm glad you're here.